Look at that big boy right there, man. 40 run round ETS magazine, man. Let's run it. We got a jam, y'all. First one, man. Ready Guns with Carolina Gunners Gun Club. I'm out here today with my Spikes AR9, dedicated AR9, man. Upper and lower, man. This thing is sweet, man. Check it out. On the rear, we have a Gearhead Works pistol brace. Just a regular old buffer that I had sitting around. ST9X, dedicated AR9 buffer and spring. Spikes Tactical AR9 out of Opaka, Florida. However you pronounce that. Spikes Tactical AR9 buffer. Spikes Tactical charging handle, which is pretty much just your plain Jane old mil spec charging handle. Dedicated upper as well. Moving forward, we slapped on a Romeo 5 just for right now. Might end up changing that, may stay on. We have an Aero Precision handguard and an 8.7 inch 9mm dedicated barrel. Muzzle device, I forgot what brand that is. And on today, we're gonna be running with ETS magazines. We have a 15 round, a 27 round, and then we also got a big 40 round down there, 41 round if I'm not mistaken. You never know with the ETS mag, they can always be wrong. Sometimes you can get more in there, sometimes you may get a little bit less. We got 3 actual Glock magazines, 133 Larry Bird, 2 15 rounders, one with the Terran Tactical plus 3 base plate. Then we have 3 P-Mags, 2 27 rounders, and then 1 15 round magazine. It's my first time taking this one out today, man, so we're not actually gonna be doing any like running and gunning, no crazy stuff like that, man. Just simple function tests, man, just to make sure everything functions. As I said, it is brand new, so it may function, it may not. We'll find out together, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. This is the first time we actually trying to run this one, man. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Let's find out together, man. It did cycle at least, so that's a plus. Let's go, man. 15 rounds. Let's go. All 15 rounds, man, out the Glock mag. Ran flawless, man. 15 round Glock mag with a Tyrant Tactical plus 5 on the base plate. Let's see if that one runs. Ran, but it did not lock back, man. It is empty though. Not sure what might have happened with that last one, man. But let's see, we're just gonna keep running it and see what happens, man. Like I said, it's brand new out the box, so let's just keep on running it. We got a 15 round ETS mag, man. Let's run that one. Mag went in, no problem. ran flawless. Lock back, everything, man. Let's keep on running. Might just need to get broke in. All right, enough with all the planking around, man. We still work. Time to go ping on some steel now. That's my favorite, man. I'm in my happy place right now, man. This is me, man. Going to shoot guns. This is me, man. All right, so they actually don't allow you to shoot carbines on the steel out there, only on 100-yard steel. So we're gonna see if we can get her dialed in at 100 yards. 27 round P-Mag left. Might as well use it for something, man. We definitely close. I'm sitting here shooting and the red dot just cut off, man. That's like the second, third time that done happened too, man. SIG, these Romeo 5s, y'all got some explaining to do with me. Safety on. 27 rounds, ran flawlessly again, man. But we ain't hit shit.
I guess I should leave.